guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell on so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And for those of you who are new right now, my name is Chari Joshi and I love making reading vlogs or just normal daily vlogs. So you'll be seeing these things here and you're in the right place if you love both of these. Anyways, today we're going to make a daily vlog and I'm going to tell you a few things that I have to do throughout the day. And I also have a party scheduled in the evening. So basically my friend has her birthday party. Although her birthday was yesterday, but she's celebrating it today because today is a Sunday and we are more free on a Sunday. So we have to go outside for her birthday party. We probably will have some food and all that stuff and take a lot of pictures. So that is going to be fun. But before that, I have to get a lot of things done, which is I have to eat my food, of course, all of the meals. And I have to wrap her present, which I'm going to show you what I bought for her. I have to study because I have a lot of things on my list that I have to complete. So that is going to be one thing. And I have to also make a vlog, which is the reading vlog. So basically in this, you will be seeing all my 5-star reads that I have read and I'll recommend them to you. So if you want to know what are the 5-star reads that I have read, then you've got to go and watch that video, which will probably be uploaded just after this video or maybe after another one. So stay tuned for that as well. If you like this video, at the end of the video, don't forget to press the like button. This encourages me. It also provides me an idea of how and what type of videos you are more interested into. And if you want any other type of videos or if you want any other type of content, then please do let me know in the comment section. Please comment under the video. So let's just not yap anymore and let's just get started with the vlog because we don't have a lot of time on us and we have to quickly do all of the things that have been planned for today. Okay guys, so right now I'm packing my friend's gift. So basically I have this wrapping paper which is blue in color and I have her gift. So I am gifting her a kurti. This is the kurti that I got for her. It's a very pretty white kurti which has green print on it and I love it really very much. अगर उसका birthday नहीं होता तो मैं ही रख लेती. Anyways, so this is for her. So it was finally time to wrap her present. I love wrapping present, but this took its sweet time. I've successfully wrapped the present and it's looking very nice. I've even put a heart sticky note on this and I hope उसको पसंद आएगा, and if she does, I'll let you know later on that she liked it or not. And now I have to continue and get back to studying because study time. So I'll probably study physics or English. Let's see, I'm not sure. Probably physics first because I'll just get the heavy thing out of the way so that later on I can chill and read something or study something that is not that, brain eating. So let me just get started with studying. Hey guys, so as you can see, I've oiled my hair. मैंने अपने बालों में oiling करा ली थी मेरी मम्मी से. So a big thanks to her. But now I have to wash them because of course I have to go to a party and I cannot go with oily hair. तो I'm gonna wash them. उसके बाद मुझे एसक्यूएल करनी है. तो basically हमारा कंप्यूटर साइंस का टेस्ट कल है. So we have this test due to which I will have to study for it and I do not know the codes of it. So I have to do that. And then I will start getting ready for going to the party. I'll meet you in a little bit when I am done with washing my hair and I'm doing my skincare routine. After having a bath, it was finally time to pick out an outfit for the day, and this is something which takes a lot of thought process for me because I couldn't decide if I wanted to wear something casual or if I wanted to wear something a little formal because we were going out in an outing. So it was very confusing for me, but let's just see what I pick out at the end of the day. ये है हमारी बर्थडे गर्ल. हाय बोलो बर्थडे गर्ल. कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूंगी. मैं वेट कर रही हूँ खुशी का, वो आ नहीं पा रही है. हमें खिलाना है खाना.
खुशी का वेट कर रही हूँ. खुशी तो हमारी जिंदगी से कब के चली गई आज तक.
सीरियसली यार, ऐसे बैठे हुए हैं हम लोग और अभी हम लोग आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे और हम लोग अभी खाएंगे और मजा आएगा एंड विल हैव सम फन टुगेदर बिकॉज दैट्स माय स्टूपिड फ्रेंड. Guys, I hope you all enjoying the video.
हाँ वो दिख जाएगा.
Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because यहाँ पे आपको ऐसा content मिलेगा. बहुत सारे दिन ऐसे होते हैं जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ बाहर आई हूँ and those are the days when life is really fun. So आई होप यू आर एंजॉइंग सो फार एंड कीप वॉचिंग द वीडियो टिल द वेरी एंड, क्योंकि आपको पता चलेगा कि हमने क्या क्या कवर किया. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर ऑल्सो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. सो गाइस, आते हुए हमारी 2 मैडम्स कोल्ड ड्रिंक लेके एक मैडम दूसरी मैडम.
दूर दूर बैठो.
गाइस वेलकम टू द व्लॉग. हेलो बोलो. हाय मेतिका. हेलो सिस्टर.
चुपचाप.
अब हम मोमो खा रहे हैं. क्या खा रहे हैं हम?
पनीर मोमो.
और तुम्हें कैसा लग रहा है?
वेज वाले भी.
और तुम्हें कैसा लग रहा है?
मैं तो खाने आई हूँ.
खोल दो.
ये देखो बुक्कड़ आ गई सबसे पहले. गाइस, अब हमें बैठे हुए हैं. कहाँ पे बैठे हैं हम लोग? और हम लोग टाइम पास कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हम घूमने आए हैं. We are doing time pass and there's a lot of people, but वो लोग गए हुए हैं कोल्ड ड्रिंक लेने के लिए, तो हम लोग यहाँ टाइम पास. Hi guys, now we are eating ice cream. Ice cream time. Hi मेतिका पांडे.
20 रुपए का.
गाइस, हम आइसक्रीम खाते हुए जा रहे हैं. मेरे सारे दोस्त पीछे हैं, आइसक्रीम खा रहे हैं.
कोई ठोक जाएगा, पिचका जाएगा, वैसे पिचकी हुई हो. मजा आया. मजेदारी बात
हाय
करती
गाइस,
हूँ मैं.
हाय बोलो मेरे व्लॉग को. थैंक यू गाइस, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वाले क्लिप में. देखो गाइस, लड़ाई होते हुए यहाँ पे लड़ाई हो रही है इनकी. लड़ाई हो गई गाइस. लड़ाई. ये देखो. तो गाइस, 2 हमारे स्कूल के पागल लोग मिल गए हैं.
यार चलो यार, घर चलो यार प्लीज.
हाय बोल दो मेरे व्लॉग में. थैंक यू. आप लोग भी फीचर होंगे. स्पॉन्सर मिलेगा.
हेलो गाइस.
कोलैबोरेशन
कौन सी स्पॉन्सरशिप मिल रही है छवि?
मेरे चैनल में मिलेगा.
चैनल कौन सा है भैया आपका?
मैं क्यों
छवि
बताऊं?
जोशी ब्लॉग्स.
छवि जोशी. छिपकली जोशी ब्लॉग. ठीक है, समझ गया.
ज्यादा ना बोलो मत.
छिपकली.